Friends, in June last year, Prime Minister Morrison and I discussed the possibility of organizing a hackathon on the circular economy. I am glad that our idea has been realized so soon. I thank my dear friend Prime Minister Scott Morrison for his support to this joint initiative. I also commend all the participants for their commitment despite the COVID-19 pandemic. For me, you are all winners. Friends, as humanity faces the challenges posed by climate change, the theme of this hackathon is relevant to the whole world. Consumption-oriented economic model have put and great strain on our planet. We must never forget that we are not the owners of all that Mother Earth has to offer, but merely it's a trustees for all the future generations to come. It is not enough to make our production processes more efficient and less polluting. No matter how fast or slow one drives, if the direction is wrong, then one is bound to reach the wrong destination. And so, we must set the right direction. We must look at our consumption patterns and how we can reduce their ecological impact. This is where the concept of circular economy comes in. It can be a key step in solving many of our challenges. Recycling and reusing things, eliminating waste and improving resources efficiency must become part of our lifestyles. This hackathon has seen innovative solutions from Indian and Australian students, startups, and entrepreneurs. These innovations show your commitment to the philosophy of circular economy. I have no doubt that your innovations will inspire our two countries to take the lead in circular economy solutions. And for that, we must now also explore ways to scale up and incubate these ideas. Friends, the power of youth comes from openness to new ideas and innovations and the ability to take risk. The energy and enthusiasm of today's youthful participants is a symbol of the forward-looking partnership between India and Australia. I have full confidence in the energy, creativity, and out-of-box thinking of our youth. They can offer sustainable, holistic solution to not just our two countries, but to the whole world. The strong India-Australia partnership will play an important role in shaping the post-COVID world. And our youth, our young innovators, our startups will be at the forefront of this partnership. Thank you. Thank you very much.